Hello everyone, welcome to the introductory video. This video is brought to you by Analytics Finishing School. Okay, so what exactly is big data and why big data? Big data is a term which is sort of used a lot in a day-to-day practice. Big data is nothing but too much of information that we're collecting from different internet sources in the form of digital content. This also comes from different social media websites such as Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter. Why big data? What's the big hype associated to it? The term and use of big data is nothing new. In fact, more and more companies, both large and small, are beginning to utilize big data and associated analysis approaches as a way to gain information to better support their company and serve their customers. So it's quite of a known fact that most of the companies in and around the globe are actually using big data techniques and tools to understand what exactly their customers are interested to purchase, how are their customers behaving, the important trends that could help them make significant decisions to expand their company and generate more profits. One study estimated that by 2024, the world's enterprise servers will annually process the digital equivalent of a stack of books extending more than 4.37 light years to Alpha Centauri, our closest neighboring star system in the Milky Way galaxy. That's guys truly a lot of data, right? We know 1 light year is the distance traveled by light in 1 year, which comes down to around 9.611 into 10 raised to the power of 16 kilometers, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, it's a lot of distance, right? It's a lot of space. So if this is what we are anticipating, everyone can imagine how many jobs will actually big data be creating in this specific domain. It says by 2024, we can stack up our books and actually reach Alpha Centauri, our closest star. So we're talking in light years now, which is like a huge amount of information and data. And so you can see the immense number of jobs this option can actually create, and why it's so important for us to sort of understand and study and sort of dive in and, get the most out of the situation. I recall the whole boom of big data is similar to the boom of web, which started way back in 1990s, and still we can see it's pretty much of a boom still of yet, right? So big data is the upcoming boom, and I guess you know the reason why now. Big data for business and lifestyle, getting the right information for your business, that's really very crucial, right? Like if you want to know what your customers exactly think about your products or what would they be wanting to buy from you, that's really important. And if there's any way we can figure out those information, like let's say what should be the specific target customers, how should you be selling to them, what is it that they are actually looking in your products, you can definitely increase the revenue of your company, right? So businesses are really they're really excited about this new whole technology trend, hoping that it will actually generate a lot of revenue for them. Proving the value in IT to businesses. It's been a known fact that IT has sort of modified a lot of businesses throughout its evolution history. Let's talk about the printing press, which was originally considered one of the most revolutionizing industry. But once we had the computers and the print scan services, that industry was sort of just completely collided, right? So IT has now been a part of different industries. You can see IT in hotel management industry for IoT solutions. You can see IT with cooks and chefs, artificial intelligent robots actually helping people. So IT is sort of a closely knitted I'd say a business sector which has been changing the lives of people by jumping in and helping people in different businesses. So IT is again going to be proving its value for different businesses with actually the new upcoming boom of big data, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. Provide good analytics for business. As I just said, it's really important and crucial for the businesses to understand the right kind of customer segmentation, the right kind of products they should be forming, the kind of things that will actually be sold to their customers, ratings and feedbacks of what exactly their customers think. Nevertheless, they also need to understand and project their growth, how exactly they are performing each year, right? So it's really important that those companies get good kind of analytics on which they can rely on and still make some smart decisions. Helps create a better living condition. As it's all known, we have the smart gadgets, we have smart homes, we have house automation. Now we are starting to enter into a genre where we can expect that we shall be having, electric cars and renewable resources of energy. All of this is somewhere associated to the new boom of big data, the lot of information sets we have generated on which we are able to implement some of the awesome algorithms and generate good living conditions for people on the world. So that's all for this video. I look forward to every one of you attending our sessions. Thank you and have a good day.